Hi there, welcome back. Hey, today we've got for you a nice short, sharp exercise routine. This one's 10 exercises. We've got a variation of on the ground stuff, we've got body weight stuff, and we've got stuff where we're adding additional weight. Now I'm using this old, I don't know, metal pole thing I found in my garden during lockdown. And we're going to use that to just come through different exercises. This workout's pretty much going to hit the whole of your body, and you're going to be coming up and down, up and down. Now, I'm going to show you 5 of each exercise and give you some options as you go through. So this isn't going to be a blast for you just now, but you can add reps and sets as you go. So our first one we're going to use, so you'll need a mat to lie on or possibly just the ground, something to add weight and just yourself. Okay. So you're going to start with a squat and a press. So all you do is hips, feet hip width apart, and you're going to sink down and just push up. Sink down and push up. Keep your chest up and your shoulders back. Let's just go 2 more, down and up. 1 more, down and up. Good. So from this one, we'll come from this standing exercise down to a push-up. Now on the floor, you come preferably on your toes, please. 1 on the toes is worth many on the knees. However, if you need to come down on your knees, do, or into a box, do. Well, let's go on our toes. Let's drop all the way down, keeping the body straight and strong. Chest to the floor. Let's go 5, 4. Really push the ground away from you. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Let's come on up. Bend the knees, rolling all the way up. Okay, from this one, we pick up our weight. We're going to work into what we call a deadlift. So from here, you're going to set the feet nice and wide. Just take hold of your weighted position and then slide it gently down the legs, keeping in contact, and then all the way back up. So you're dropping down and all the way back up. Now, if your hamstrings are nice and long, you can keep a straighter leg, but if they're not, bend your knees. Go 2 more, keep the weight nice and close. And up, and 1 more, down, and up. Good. Place your weight down gently. You're going to come from here into that beautiful body weight workout that we all love, the burpee. Now, from here, reaching up, I don't jump in my burpees. We'll come down, jumping back, drop chest to floor, pushing back up, jumping in, and rising. Okay, there's 1. Land, option, you can step back, drop, push up, jumping in, and rise. 3 more. So burpees are perfect exercise, pretty much does everything in your body. 2 more. Down, pushing up, jumping in, and 1 more. Pushing back, up, in, and rise. Good. Okay, picking your bar up again. You're coming into a clean, what we call a clean. So from here, sweep the hips back slightly. Sweeping your hips back slightly. You're going to come up and tuck it in. You're going to turn so the palms are facing forward and we're dropping down. Sweeping down towards, in between the knees and the hips, up and sweep it through. Now lead with those elbows, up, nice and strong. 2 more, pulling up in preparation, and up, nice, and release. Good. From here, place your weight down, always bending your knees, roll back onto your mat. You're going to come into a sit-up. This one's slightly different. Take the soles of the feet in together, reaching the arms back. Exhale up, touch just in front of your feet, all the way down and all the way up. So it's a full range of movement, all the way down, all the way up. Keep it coming. 2 more. And gently release. Good. Coming up. You're going to come back up onto your feet. So as you can see, peripheral heart rate training from the ground all the way back up. Now this one we work on thrusters. So from here, you're going to come into that position we finished in our clean, you're going to drop down and then push up in your press. Down and up, making sure that your hips sink back. Down and up. Good. 2 more. Down. Full body work here, guys. Nice. And then from your thruster, you'll come back into your abdominal work, dropping in, coming in. Let's come into what we call a hollow rock. So down on our feet, squeeze the feet together, squeeze the arms back, lift in the arms, reach them up, cradle the head if you want to. 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And release. Coming back up, down and up, no rest. From here, straight into what we call a push press. So rather than the thruster, little tiny knee push, straight up. 1, looking good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. All the way down. Let go. That's exercise number 9. This is your last one. Plank. From here, nice and strong, belly to spine, knees down if you need it. Tip the hips, push into your down dog. There's your yoga. It's in there. Forward to plank, back into down dog. Forward to plank, hands and feet don't move, back into your down dog. 2 more. Roll forward and roll back. 1 more. And back. Nice. And release it in. Knees come down, take a stretch. So there you go, team. There are 50 quick exercises there. However, if you want to roll back through those, do 10, which will be good. It will give you a good number of reps to really get your body used to those moves. You can do 10, so 10 exercises, 10 times 100, maybe 3 sets through, maybe 5 sets through. How much time have you got? What are your goals? What do you want to do? Just a little snip just for you to have a go at. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe so we can give you more of this awesome stuff. Thank you.